Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 8000 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the contacts. Now we have to press on the settings and let's go down to find block contacts option. Let's select it and press on add. And as you can see right now we can manually enter the number, so let me do it and press on save. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course you can unblock it whenever you want to, just press unblock, and as you can see it has been removed from the block list. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Nokia 8000. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.